Let me show you the next company you can apply for a remote role. And for this particular position, you don't need any experience at all. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you remote jobs that you can apply for with little or no experience at all. We're going to start with the company on the screen, TerraBody. I will leave the links to the two companies I'll be sharing with you in the description. So to access the different remote roles that you can apply for with little experience, all you need to do is to come down here and click on View Open Positions. Okay, so let's explore a little bit about the company. Leading the tech wellness space by creating cutting edge products to provide natural wellness solutions for everyone. All right, so let's just get straight to business. The first one is marketing specialist. You can see that this one is not remote. We are looking for remote positions. So for customer experience, we have customer service representative. You can see here that it's remote. So we're going to explore this one. Okay, customer service representative. Let's go through the key responsibilities. Manage incoming customer inquiries and customer escalations from core team and outside departments via email, chat, and phone. Respond to customers directly and be a champion for improving the customer experience internally. Empathize, advocate for, and maintain positive relationships with our customers. Okay, so the right person would have 2+ years in a customer service role at a direct to consumer business or in the health and wellness industry. You can see that with your 2 years experience in customer service, you can apply for this job. And in addition to that, you need to have experience with Salesforce, Zindex, and or other customer service platforms, excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to multitask, prioritize, and manage time effectively. Must be able to demonstrate all aspects of professionalism, prompt, and cultural service, a positive demeanor in stressful situations, and attention to detail. Now, let's talk money. The hourly rate for this position ranges from $18 to $22. But note this range is for the US and not applicable to locations outside of the US. Hourly rates may vary based upon, but not limited to, candidates' related work experience, business sector, and geographic location. This position is also eligible for benefits and other bonuses, although incentives compensation is not guaranteed. Before you apply for any job position, not just remote, even for on site job positions, you need to go through the job descriptions, qualifications, and the key responsibilities for that particular role you're applying for. These are the necessary information you need to provide: your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. This is not required, but you can still provide it. Your resume or your CV, your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile. If you have a website, you can include the URL here, but it's not required. How did you hear about this job? Okay, so voluntary self-identification. Let's read this. For government reporting purposes, we ask candidates to respond to the below self-identification survey. Okay. Completion of the form is entirely voluntary. Whatever you decide, it will not be considered in the hiring process or thereafter. Any information that you do provide will be recorded and maintained in a confidential file. You don't have to fill this if you're not comfortable, but if you are, if you don't mind, you can go for it. Fill it out. So once you're done filling the above details, uploading your resume, all you need to do is to click submit, and that's it. So this role is for customer service representative. Let's check out if there are other remote jobs that I will recommend. This is for sales, director, retail marketing. Let's check the number of years of experience required for this role. 10 years. Nope. We're looking for little or no experience at all. Okay, let's check the next one. Sales planner. Let's check the years of experience required. Oh, for the 10 years of experience, if you do have 10 years of experience in sales, of course, you can apply for it. All right, this one is 3+ years of experience, as well as this one. If you have 3 years of experience in sales, experience in B2B sales planning, strategy development, or related roles within a similar industry, you can apply for this role. Basically, the same process. Fill in your detail, upload your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and this voluntary self identification, and click on submit. All right, so that's it for TerraBody. Let me show you the next company you can apply for a remote role. And for this particular position, you don't need any experience at all. Tutor job. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description. Okay, so get paid to chat with English learners today. Have a one-on-one online video chat. No experience required. You can see that is stated here. I didn't make this up. No experience required for this role. Let's just go through the website and see what they offer. Increasing pay, tutor anytime, anywhere, make global connections. How do I get started? So the first step is for you to apply. Whether you are experienced or new, we've got you covered. Benefits from video guides, Q&A sections, webinars, and more. We will help you create an outstanding tutor profile and guide you in finding loyal, long-term students. All right, the next step is start earning within 5 days. Get your application reviewed within 3 to 5 days and start earning how much? 10.20 to 1680 per hour as a new tutor. Embrace the flexibility to work at your convenience while connecting with students worldwide. So the third step is to get certified and advance to $22 per hour. After completing your first 100 hours and securing positive ratings and reviews, Tutor Job will sponsor your TESOL training and connect you with tutoring jobs that pay $22 per hour. TESOL is an acronym that stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. TESOL and TFL certificate is an essential qualification required when hiring English language teachers. Good news is, once you become a tutor with Tutor Job and get your first 100 hours and positive reviews from students, they will sponsor your TESOL training. And speaking of TFL, there is a way you can get the certificate for free. I think I should make a video and show you how to go about it. Okay, so we've gone through the steps and the perks. Now to apply, all you need to do is to click on apply now, become an online tutor today and start working on your own terms. You key in your first name. Let me use my first name and my last name and my email address. Okay, start tutoring online. So after you click submit, it will take you to this pre-screening form and you fill in your first name, again, your last name, your email address, your country number. Nigeria is +234. Nigeria, phone number. I'm going to blur this. Okay. What's your nationality? I am a Nigerian. Are you a native English speaker? Yes. How many hours a week are you available to tutor? I'm just going to use under 10 hours, or let's just use 10 to 15 hours. Okay, which day you can attend our webinar at 2 p.m. EST? I'm going to choose Thursday. So you can either choose Thursday or Sunday. Anyone is totally fine. Now click on submit. Thank you for submitting the form. We review all applications within 48 hours. Please monitor your inbox and spam folders and contact our support via info@tutorjob.org if you don't hear back in 48 hours. So that's it, friends. The links to the website will be in the description. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next video on Saturday.